Good morning, Miranda here. Welcome to my channel, my homestead life off-grid. What we're up to today. So you notice this is still this way. So I'm repairing this is so I can repair my deck. And I was trying to figure out, do I want to use a Sawzall and just repair parts, or do I want to take off the whole deck? And after consulting with a few of my builder friends, they're like, it's better to just take off the whole deck piece. So I need 2 pieces of deck boards today. There is smaller sections on the end over here that can use those 8-foot boards. So right here, I can replace one whole board there, and I'm pretty sure another one is starting to come up loose. So I have enough wood for that, and that's what I'm going to use that wood for. And yeah. So I planted here some a celery top, and I had it, and I don't know what happened to it. And I'm looking for it, like it was growing celery. I forgot about it. So maybe I thought I had it in this one. Let me, apparently I didn't, because it was a pretty big, you guys remember those videos that I had the celery? This wouldn't be it, because I didn't have celery in here, I don't think. No, there's a little spinach coming up. Don't think it was this one. Well, I put a, it's not this one. Literally, I don't know where it went. Well, you know what? I must have pulled it and just said I'm doing seeds. So, oh well. But I am experimenting with, so here's a an onion that sprouted. See, it's already forming 2 onions right here. So I like the sprouts, but what I'm going to do is let it form these little onions. And then in the spring, if this is still here, and I've used some of these tops along with some of these Egyptian walking onion tops, I can then take these apart, see how many splits I get, and then plant each individual onion like that. It's kind of a good way. So yeah. But my main project today is this, and I want to show you the before. So this one's also being replaced. Right here. See that? I got to move the ladders, but it goes up. You can kind of see behind it a little bit. So one, I'm waiting on this one. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 deck boards today. And that's what I'm replacing today. And then I'll have to get the U-nails and get these back up and in place. And I'll call this, I'll have to tack this in a few more places and call this project finished, and then I can power wash it and move forward. So yeah, we're pretty good on this side. Actually really good on this side. I've got my giant dog kennel I gotta take care of. I'll probably put these inside of the shed. I just wanted them to get real dried out here, and because I built these in February, and they're a lot more dried out than they were, a lot. So these are ready to be installed. And then I just got to finish a few more things here, like replace some of these. These are to tack it in. These little electric things. That's all I had. But I found some nail nails, and I'll put those in here, and then a face board goes on top of that. I was going to put I didn't want this to go as far down as it did, but it ended up, it's really hard to cut it. I would have preferred it to be up to here. I might cut that bottom out, but that's going to be later. But right now, I'm going to get that tacked in again and get this deck completely repaired, replace some of the screws in here because I didn't put the right screws in. So this is a pretty solid piece. See, I did a good job here, guys. But some of the screws are not the galvanized or deck screws. So we're going to get this done today. So all this will be gone. That'll still be there. But when I get these boards done, this will look a lot better. And then I can get started on cleaning up that beeswax and maybe power washing this deck, since we have a nice day tomorrow. It's supposed to be up in the 70s, and those are the kind of days I want to power wash. And also I can replenish my water tanks at the same time. So yeah, that's happening, all happening. So this is going to go as far as I can today. And yeah, I'll give you the update tomorrow. All right. Wish me luck. All right. Love you guys. And we'll see the finished product tomorrow. Let's look at it one more time. I'm just going to move the board. I'm putting the whole board. So 1, 2, 3. Not yet. 4. And I got to get 16 footers because if you notice, everybody's cut at an angle. And I measured this morning and these are 16-foot boards from tip to tip. So this is really interesting to me. But at one time before I got see up here, before I got this in here, right here, the water, what do you call these things? Oh my gosh, I feel embarrassed. The gutter thingy. I got a really nice one. It's pretty thick and it has got the thing so leaves don't get in it, but I want to show you. Before that, it was just dripping. It was pretty much dripping straight down to not that far back, but about right here. So it doesn't surprise me. Here's another one, but I'm not doing this one right now. Wait, am I? No, I'm just doing these two because for the most part, the rest of this board is good. So yeah, I got some work ahead of me, but hey, I like it. So, all right. I will give you guys an update. All right, thanks.